talk about how you decided on this business model and what was that decision like having to get out of the former business model,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. So, one of the things that, we hear all the time, right, is begin with the end in mind. So I wanted to create a business that I knew would be sellable. Like I said, kind of a serial entrepreneur. And when I go all the way back to high school, when I had that asphalt maintenance company, right? When the time came to transition out of that, I just closed the doors. I didn't realize like you can sell like I mean I had several hundred recurring customers. I could have sold that. I never knew that. And then fast forward to last summer when I was looking to buy someone else's business. Again, I got to look at all of the things that went into deciding whether to buy that business. And so, that gentleman was, in his mid 60s and I'm 38 and I was like, well, how could I get that experience, in my early 40s? And so that really drove a lot of the design as to what kind of company do I want to start. So, it had to be something that had recurring revenue because I know you're going to get a higher sale multiple on that. It had to be something that I could hire a leadership team and remove myself from the business. Again, you need that for higher multiples. It had to be something that had growth trajectory because again, a buyer's going to want to have growth potential. It had to be scalable to where we could be doing, eight figures in profit so that big enough firms would be interested in buying that. And so those are all the things that kind of went into consideration. And then layer over the top, what have I spent a lot of my time doing that, is going to shorten the time span of what I need to learn to become a subject matter expert.